Hey everyone, welcome to Delta Edge. Today, we're diving into the hidden gems of the stock market revealed. Stick around till the end because we have an exciting surprise worth 21,000 rupees just for you. Listen, you work way too hard to let your money just sit there. Most people think a savings account is enough, but with inflation these days, your money is actually losing value. That's why today, I'm going to show you some hidden gems in the stock market that can help you actually grow your wealth. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Investing in the stock market has risk, but if you do it the right way, it can completely change your life. Let's get into it. First up, we have GTL Infrastructure Limited, or GTL Infra, as it's known in the market. Now this company has had its ups and downs, but sometimes those downs present the biggest opportunities. It's currently trading at 2 rupees and 64 paise with a staggering volume of 288,311,964. That's a lot of people buying and selling, which means there's definitely some interest in this stock. And where there's interest, there's often opportunity. Now, let's take a look at the chart. You can see here, GTL Infra has a solid support level at 2 rupees and 50 paise. That means it's found support around this price level in the past, and buyers have stepped in. The resistance sits up at 3 rupees. If it can break through that, it could really take off. Yes, the stock has taken a bit of a hit recently, down 3.3%, but don't let that scare you away. In fact, pullbacks like this can be a good thing. They give you a chance to buy in at a potential discount before the stock potentially recovers. And when it comes to GTL Infra, there are a few things working in its favor. For one, the company is involved in some major upcoming infrastructure projects. India is investing heavily in its infrastructure, and GTL Infra is well positioned to benefit from that growth. On top of that, the company has the backing of the government. Now, I know what you're thinking, government backing? That doesn't always mean a sure thing, and you're right. But it does add an extra layer of security, knowing that the government has a vested interest in seeing this company succeed. So, while GTL Infra might not be the shiniest stock out there, it's definitely one to keep your eye on. Next on our list is a company you might have heard of, Reliance Power Limited, or R Power. Now, this one's a bit of a giant in the Indian power sector. It's currently trading at 31 rupees and 16 paise with a volume of 71,383,353. Again, that's a lot of shares changing hands, so people are paying attention. Now I know what you're thinking. Reliance Power, haven't they been struggling lately? And yeah, the stock has seen a dip of 5.03%. But here's the thing, sometimes short-term dips can create long-term opportunities. Let's take a look at the chart. See that pattern? That, my friends, is what we call a bullish reversal pattern. It's basically a sign that the selling pressure might be coming to an end and the buyers are starting to step in. We've got support down at 30 rupees and resistance up at 35 rupees. If it can break through that resistance, we could see a nice move to the upside. But charts aside, let's talk fundamentals. Reliance Power is in the business of, well, power. And guess what? The demand for power in India is only going up. As the economy grows, as people's standards of living rise, they're going to need more electricity to power their homes, their businesses, everything. And Reliance Power is ready to meet that demand. They've been investing heavily in expanding their capacity, and they're well positioned to capitalize on this growing market. So while the stock might be down a bit right now, don't count Reliance Power out just yet. This could be your chance to get in on the ground floor of a potential energy giant. Chapter 3. Our third pick takes us to the construction sector with Hindustan Construction Company Limited, or HCC. This is a company that's literally building the future of India. And right now, it's trading at 45 rupees and 90 paise with a volume of 60,827,330. Now, I know a lot of people shy away from construction stocks. They think it's too cyclical, too dependent on the economy. But here's the thing, India's economy is only going in one direction, and that's up. And when the economy grows, guess what gets built? That's right, infrastructure. Roads, bridges, airports, you name it. And HCC is right in the thick of it. Let's take a look at the chart. Do you see that pattern forming? That, my friends, is what we call a cup and handle pattern. It's a classic bullish signal, and it suggests that HCC could be gearing up for a big move. Now, I know the stock is down 6.23% recently, but don't let that fool you. This is a company with a ton of potential. They've got major infrastructure projects in the pipeline, and their financials have been steadily improving. Plus, there's a lot of talk about government spending on infrastructure in the coming years. And guess who's going to benefit from that? You got it, construction companies like HCC. So, if you're looking for a stock that's got both technical and fundamental strength, HCC might just be the hidden gem you've been searching for. Chapter 4. For our next pick, let's switch gears a bit and talk about Alok Industries Limited, or Alokines. This is a company that's all about diversification. They've got their hands in everything from textiles to real estate, and right now they're trading at 25 rupees and 7 paise with a volume of 19,976,921. Now, I know what you're thinking. Diversification? That's a bit boring, isn't it? Well, let me tell you, boring can be beautiful, especially when it comes to the stock market. See, when you invest in a diversified company like Alokines, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. They've got multiple streams of revenue, so even if one sector isn't doing so hot, the others can pick up the slack. And right now, Alokines is looking pretty good. The stock is up slightly, about 0.64%, which shows stability in a volatile market. But it's not just about the price, it's about the potential. Let's take a look at the chart. See that pattern forming? That's what we call an ascending triangle, and it's a bullish continuation pattern. That means the stock has been trending upwards, and this pattern suggests that the uptrend is likely to continue. But charts aside, let's talk about why Alokines is so interesting. They've got a strong market presence in India, a growing economy with a massive population. And on top of that, they're expanding into new markets, which means even more potential for growth. So if you're looking for a stock that's a bit off the beaten path, a company that's not as well known but has a lot of potential, Alokines is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about something sweet, literally. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited, or Bajaj Hind, is one of the biggest sugar producers in India. And right now, it's trading at 38 rupees and 91 paise with a volume of 17,677,863. Now, I know what you're thinking, sugar. Isn't that like a commodity? And yeah, you're right, it is. But here's the thing. Commodities can be great investments, especially when the underlying fundamentals are strong. And when it comes to sugar, the fundamentals are looking pretty sweet. See, the price of sugar has been on the rise lately due to a combination of factors like increased demand and supply chain issues. And guess who benefits from higher sugar prices? That's right, sugar producers like Bajaj Hind. Now, I know the stock is down 2.21% recently, but don't let that scare you away. In fact, this could be a classic case of buy the dip. Let's take a look at the chart. See that pattern? That, my friends, is what we call a bullish flag pattern. It's a sign that the stock might be taking a breather before making another move higher. But charts aside, let's talk about Bajaj Hind. This is a company with strong fundamentals. They're the largest sugar producer in India. They've got a solid track record, and they're well positioned to benefit from the rising price of sugar. So, if you're looking for a sweet opportunity in the market, Bajaj Hind might just be the ticket. Now, for the special surprise I promised. We're giving away 21,000 rupees worth of 5 financial calculators to one lucky viewer. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, watch till the end, and send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 911-32-11787. Also, don't miss our exclusive course on how to automate trades, normally priced at 7,000 rupees. But for a limited time, it's available for just 99 rupees. Click the link in the description to grab your spot. So there you have it, folks, the hidden gems of the stock market revealed. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Remember, your financial journey starts here at Delta Edge. Join us on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Fiverr. Links are in the description. Stay tuned for more amazing content.